10 investments that will make you wealthy in long term. Investing is not just about growing your wealth, it's about securing your financial future. Making the right investment choices can significantly impact your long-term financial stability. In this video, we will explore 10 investment options that have the potential to make you wealthy in the long run. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Stock market investments. Investing in stocks has long been a proven wealth-building strategy. When you buy stocks, you become a shareholder, opening the door to potential profit from a company's growth. Diversifying your stock portfolio by investing in a variety of companies can help spread risk and enhance your chances of long-term gains. This strategy minimizes the impact of poor performance from a single stock and can lead to more stable returns over time. While the stock market can be volatile, a well-balanced and diversified portfolio can help you weather market fluctuations and work towards your long-term financial goals. 2. Real estate ventures. Real estate has consistently proven to be a dependable investment choice. Owning properties, be it residential or commercial, offers the dual advantage of generating rental income and experiencing value appreciation over time. Real estate investments provide a sense of security and the potential for substantial long-term wealth accumulation. The enduring demand for shelter and business spaces ensures a constant need for real estate, making it a resilient asset class. This stability, coupled with the potential for substantial returns, has cemented real estate as a timeless and reliable investment option for those seeking financial growth and security. 3. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are investment vehicles that aggregate funds from multiple investors and allocate them across a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. These funds are professionally managed, making them an attractive option for individuals who prefer a more passive approach to investing. With expert oversight, mutual funds aim to optimize returns and manage risks. Over the long term, they have the potential to yield significant returns, making them a popular choice for those looking to grow their wealth steadily. The diversification offered by mutual funds helps spread risk, enhancing their appeal as a reliable investment option in the world of finance. 4. Retirement accounts. Contributing to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs offers dual benefits of tax savings and financial security in retirement. These accounts frequently include employer matches, amplifying the incentive to save for the future. The magic of compounding further enhances the impact, with investments growing exponentially over time. This disciplined approach to saving not only reduces current tax liabilities, but also secures a comfortable retirement, ensuring that you can enjoy your golden years without financial stress. In essence, these accounts serve as a cornerstone for long-term financial planning, empowering individuals to build a substantial nest egg for a worry-free retirement. 5. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have emerged as attractive alternative investments, garnering widespread attention. While they offer the potential for remarkable returns, their extreme volatility demands cautious consideration. Adding cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio can diversify your holdings, but it's essential to proceed with vigilance. The inherent risks, including price fluctuations and regulatory uncertainties, require investors to exercise prudence and conduct thorough research. Cryptocurrencies can be a valuable addition to a well-balanced investment strategy, but their unpredictable nature necessitates a long-term perspective and a readiness to weather market turbulence. Staying informed and seeking professional guidance is crucial when venturing into the cryptocurrency space. 6. Bonds and fixed income. Bonds and fixed income investments serve as dependable sources of income, offering lower risk compared to stocks and serving as vital components of diversified portfolios. Long-term bonds, in particular, present an appealing proposition with their attractive interest rates. These investments are favored for their stability and income-generating potential. They provide a cushion against market volatility and are especially valuable for risk-averse investors seeking consistent returns. Whether it's government bonds, corporate bonds, or municipal bonds, these fixed income assets contribute to financial security and can be pivotal in achieving a balanced and resilient investment strategy. 7. Startup investments. Investing in startup companies holds the potential for significant financial rewards when choosing wisely. While risks are inherent, successful startup investments can yield substantial returns. Staying vigilant and identifying innovative and promising ventures is key to navigating this dynamic market. Startups often bring groundbreaking ideas and disruptive technologies to the table, offering investors a chance to be part of something transformative. Diversifying your investment portfolio with a judicious allocation to startups can unlock opportunities for substantial growth. However, it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence and monitor your investments closely to maximize the chances of reaping the benefits of these high-risk, high-reward opportunities. 8. Precious metals. Investing in precious metals, such as gold and silver, can serve as a safeguard during economic downturns. These assets have a history of retaining their value and often experience substantial long-term appreciation. As a result, they are a prudent choice for investors with a long-term perspective. Precious metals act as a hedge against economic uncertainties and inflation, offering stability and a store of value. Including them in your investment portfolio can provide resilience in times of financial turbulence and help preserve your wealth over the years. 9. Education and self-improvement. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. Continuously improving your skills and knowledge can lead to higher-paying job opportunities or even entrepreneurship. Consider spending on education and personal development for long-term financial growth. 10. Small businesses. Investing in small businesses can be a high-risk, high-reward proposition. If you invest in a successful small business, you could earn significant returns. However, there is also a risk that the small business could fail, and you could lose your investment. In conclusion, the path to wealth through investments is multifaceted. Diversifying your investment portfolio is key to mitigating risks and maximizing returns. Remember that the key to success is patience, as wealth accumulation through investments takes time and commitment. So if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.